we're going to troubleshoot the dreaded pygame.error, no file found error. This frustrating message pops up when Pygame can't locate an image, sound, or font file you're trying to load. Let's break down the common causes and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect file path. Pygame needs the exact path to your file. The most frequent mistake is assuming the file's in the same folder as your Python script. While that's often the case, it's not always guaranteed, particularly if you're working with more complex project structures. To check, open your File Explorer and make absolutely sure the file exists where you think it does. Then, double-check the path in your Pygame code. If you're using relative paths, like write single quote quote my underscore image.png, the path is relative to your Python script's location. Absolute paths, like c/users, your name, documents, my image, png for Windows, or write single quote /home/your-name/documents /my underscore image.png write single quote for Linux, Mac OS, leave no room for confusion, but they're not very portable. 2. Case sensitivity. File names and folder names are case sensitive on many operating systems like Linux and Mac OS. Write single quote quote myimage.png quote write single quote is different from write single quote quote myimage.png. Even a slight difference in capitalization will cause this error. 3. File extension. Make sure the file extension in your Pygame code matches the actual file extension. A common error is specifying write single quote .jpeg write single quote when the file is actually a write single quote .png write single quote or vice versa. Double check for any typos in the file extension. 4. Working directory. Your program has a working directory, the folder it starts from. Pygame loads files relative to this directory. Use write single quote os.getcbud from the os module to check your script's working directory. If it's not where you expect it to be, then you will have to adjust the path in your Pygame code accordingly. Or you might consider using absolute paths for clarity. 5. Typographical errors. Carefully examine your file path for any typos. A single wrong character will break things. Consider copy-pasting the path directly from your File Explorer into your code to eliminate this possibility. 6. Incorrect loading function. Ensure you're using the correct Pygame function to load the file type. Use write single quote pygame.image.load for images, write single quote pygame.mixer.sound for sounds, and write single quote pygame.font.font for fonts. Using the wrong function will obviously result in an error. 7. Permissions. In rare instances, file permissions might be the culprit. Ensure your Python script has read access to the file it's trying